Alright, some more work on the Hitachi 18 volt Recipro repowering. I've gone ahead and cut a handful of these little links ready to go. What we're going to do is we're just going to solder these links in between the two packs just to make them bridge together. In the previous video we bonded them together with some where's the tube? KS bond. I don't know anything about the brand, but they stuck their stuff together. They're good. Yeah, it's stuck together. So what we'll do is we'll get the soldering iron out and we'll zip these couple on there. So up on the top furthest away one, I'm just going to link the two cells together, because I broke the cell joiner's been a bit rough. Disconnecting the PCB boards off the top of these, which are normally the control boards for the batteries themselves. As you can hear, that noise is a 24 volt cabinet extraction fan. Just got that going because basically lead and tin solder is not good for anyone's lungs. Got that blowing into the other room and it's getting sucked up a vent and blowing out the top, out into the roof cavity of the house. Sometimes I like to use a little magnet to make this process a bit easier. Holds them down for you. It's like having an extra hand. Remember, just because your magnet's there holding onto something doesn't mean it's not getting really hot. Okay, so that's those ones linked together. The number one reason I'm doing this is just for current holding capacity. But that might only be 2-3 amp hour batteries. Put together, and that might not sound all that powerful. When you start getting them outputting 20, 30, 40 amps under a fairly decent surge or load, you're starting to talk about a lot more power than you first would think. You can actually jumpstart a car with an 18 volt lithium 3 amp hour battery. I've been there and done that numerous times before. Bit of aid from the magnet again. It's not really interesting watching this, so what I'll do is I'll get all these soldered out, and then we'll talk about balance leads.